Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be our weekly grocery haul, and it is time to make some adjustments before we head out to the grocery store. Now, the way we shop around here, first of all, if you're new around here, hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm Shakema. I'm a single mom. I have 4 children, 2 girls, 2 boys, 1 fur dog named Gracie. I also have a fur grand dog. His name is Acro. Now, my 2 oldest children have moved out of the house. Shamika is 30, Trandon is 24, and they live far away. Trandon lives far away. Shamika lives far, far away from where I live. Almost a long way. So anywho, it is now time for groceries, and we're going to make some adjustments. So how we shop, I don't make a meal plan and then shop. That's not my budget. I have $50. I'm shopping at Aldi today with $50. So how I shop is I'll get any deals I can find, and then I come home and make a meal plan from the deals that I found, also with what I have in the house. I have Alana made some turkey soup the other day because we had turkey left over from the church luncheon that we had. And let me say this, because I had someone make a comment about gatherings. We have a very, very small church. Very small. At max, we might have 25 adults, maybe. We have a lot of kids. We have probably almost as many kids as we have adults. But all those kids belonging to, the couples. I have the most kids with 4, and then there's another couple that has 4 children. Of course, 2 of my kids don't live here anymore, so that couple now has more kids than anybody else in the church. But we have a very, very, very small church. I don't go to a big, huge, humongous church or anything like that. So that's why we did our Christmas luncheon. We have had church really the whole time, except for the first initial shutdown. We have had service. We also stream online for anybody who is not comfortable coming to the building. We do that for our members. You can wear your face mask if you choose to. We have, there are all of the guidelines that people want to follow. They are there. We have sanitizing stations all around the building. So we don't just, free for all. Every family is able to make their own choices and decisions. We have some families that still have not come back to in-person fellowship. They just watch online. That is their, whatever people want to do. We're here for it. But we did the luncheon. I made the turkey. I made a turkey. Another turkey was there as well. And so we had some leftovers, but the kids don't really want to have the turkey soup. So I said, I'll finish it up and Mom will take that in my lunches. I don't mind having it for lunch, and I don't mind having leftovers. I don't mind having the same thing a couple days. Doesn't bother me. As long as it's still fresh and good, I'll eat it. So I'm going to clean out the fridge and go ahead and figure out how I can add to that soup, because really the only thing she added was the cauliflower and the turkey, and it was kind of a little flat for me. So I know we have some carrots in there. I'm going to really quickly grab out those carrots. I'm going to clean them up real good, chop them into little small pieces, throw them in the Instant Pot. I'm going to put the turkey back into the Instant Pot probably for another 20 minutes. I'm going to take the turkey meat and ground it in the food processor a little bit, because it was like big, long pieces of turkey, and that's just not how I want to eat that. So I'm going to make some adjustments to the soup, because I'm going to plan it out for the next couple of days for lunches for Mom. But in the meantime, I'm also going to clean out the fridge and do kind of like a mini inventory, and as I'm going through, to see what I need and what I don't need. So that's what I'm going to be working on right now. I'm coming. What am I looking at again?
I'm not sure. Now, you're the one who said you wanted to go to the garden.
So what I'm trying to do real fast is get through whatever this last few little things are here, I'm gonna get that Instant Pot out. If you'll get the Instant Pot out real fast, I'm gonna put that turkey soup on. Okay, you guys, so we're out in the garden. We harvested broccoli. Of course, we have kind of a little few shoots growing, but we got a pretty good head here. We're gonna cut this one off. There's one back here. I saw another one. Is there another one? Oh, there's one here. We roasted some broccoli the other night, and it was really good. So we've got one here. We've got that one we need to get out before it goes bad. And this one right here. There was another one over here, Bubba, that I saw. That was pretty big. Some of my cabbage is getting eaten, and so I'm going to harvest these a little earlier because we've got some pests in there. But they're going to be early cabbage. And then this is a good one. I'm going to harvest this one. And I'm probably going to go ahead and harvest that one. And then our cauliflower is good. So I'm going to harvest that. Some of our cauliflower is still growing. So we've got cauliflower in there. Some maybe started in there. We've got some of the curly kale that's coming back. So we're actually going to try if we're able to get out here and do some work in the garden when I'm off for Christmas break. I want to say this Saturday, but that's not going to happen because I'm actually preaching on Sunday. And I know that I'm not going to have time with trying to get my sermon together. But here's the thing about your garden. So this is going to help me because this week I won't have to buy cabbage, which I had planned on. So I've got like 3 cabbages I won't have to purchase. I won't have to purchase as much cauliflower. I'll still have to get some, but at least we'll have fresh cauliflower. And then the garden is giving us a second batch of broccoli. So we're going to come through and actually, once all these leaves, all these plants are done, we're going to go ahead and clean out these beds and get ready for the spring planting. And actually, our peppers were doing good until the frost. So we had some frost come through, and so we're going to go ahead and clean out all of this. Of course, that's going to be when I'm on spring break. Winter break, Christmas break. And we're going to get this whole section of garden area cleaned up. We're going to put another garden bed out here. That's going to help us because we think the garden beds did way better than the buckets. Some of the buckets we'll keep for smaller type things, but we think totally for sure 100 that the raised beds did better. So Jackson's going to help me harvest some of these things now. Alrighty, you guys, so we're back from Aldi. We shopped at Aldi this week. We didn't need a lot of things, and I didn't do any stocking up. I had a $50 budget. And so these are the things that I was able to pick up from Aldi. And I will share with you guys a brief meal plan. So I picked up some of the paper plates, $1.19. Celery was $1.19. This cucumber hot house was $1.39. Picked up 2 of the low-carb tortillas. They were $1.99. Sharp cheddar deli sliced cheese was $1.79. We got 2 of those. The keto-friendly Love and Fresh bread was $3.99. Way too expensive, but, you know, that's the only place I can find it. Picked up rice cauliflower. Now, I could have gotten this cheaper at Walmart, but I thought they would have some of the regular. This was $1.89 for a 12-ounce bag. They did not have any other cauliflower there at all, period. I think I even looked for mushrooms and couldn't find mushrooms. So I got 2 garlic and herb and 1 regular. Picked up the sausages, patties. They are $5.19. And Jackson wanted some pretzels. Peanut butter pretzels, $4.29. Picked up some spinach for $1.19, I think. Heavy cream, $1.55. Their countryside cream butter is still on sale for $1.79. And then Jackson got 2 things of fruit for 95 cents each. Well, the mandarin oranges are $79. The pineapple slices were $95. $79.95. And then we saw these cute little pet sweatshirts. And we have tried these on her before. We got the wrong sizes, or she just grew out of them. But this one says, you're on Santa's naughty list or nice list. And then this one just has a Christmas gnome on it in the size large. They were $6.99 each, so I picked those up. So actually, $14 was not groceries. But again, we didn't need a whole ton of groceries, so I picked those up.
Okay, everybody, so we bought the little cute sweater for Ma'am. You see right here.
That's naughty.
On the naughty list. And if you, you know, it's because of sequence, you can change it to nice, but
she's been
you
naughty.
guys heard about the whole naughty story. But here she is. I don't think she likes it right now because she hasn't moved. We've moved her, but she hasn't moved.
It's a rare moment because she's exactly like Alana. Doesn't like the camera.
I know, baby.
Say hi. Say hello to the camera. Don't worry, guys. She'll move later on if she needs to.
And just
get
so you
somewhere.
know, this is all Alana's idea. This has nothing to do with me.
Mom thought it was a great idea to buy these, and I think it's a great idea. So, guys, comment down below if you think she looks great. Comment down below if you think she'll want to move sometime. She most likely will.
Wow.
We spent $52 and some change. So I had $50 was my budget. I was only over by $2 and some change. So I gladly went ahead and paid for it, no problem. So let me just give you a brief rundown of some of the things that we do for meals. So normally in the mornings, because I'm not intermittent fasting right now, just doesn't work with the current schedule that I have. I usually do a low-carb tortilla with a patty and a slice of cheese. That is 7 net grams of carbs. I think this is 1. This might be 0. It's either 6 or 7 net grams of carbs. And that's usually my breakfast. So we're going to plan on that for the next couple of days. From the garden, I did get some broccoli. So I got some broccoli out and some cauliflower. So I'm getting ready to roast that right now. I'm going to throw that in the oven with just some salt, pepper, olive oil, a little bit of minced garlic. That's going in the oven. I have 1 pretty large cabbage and then 2, 3 smaller ones. So tomorrow night, I'm going to do butter cabbage and we have some beef. I think we're going to do a spaghetti squash casserole, but I am going to go ahead and do the butter cabbage so my cabbage stays fresh. In addition, I think I'm going to use the Kaale rice and I'm going to pull out some chicken thighs. So I'm going to kind of do like a cauliflower risotto with some chicken thighs in a white wine sauce, like a white wine spinach cheese sauce. So I think that's what I'm going to do there. I do have, in my Instant Pot, this is the turkey and rice soup that I'm trying to full out. I put some carrots in here. I threw some celery in there. We threw the rest of the collard greens we had in there because I don't mind having collards. It's just, to me, like having a spinach. So that's in there. All right, looking inside of the freezer. Okay, I've got chicken legs, so I think I'll do barbecue chicken legs one night. So that would work. And barbecue chicken legs would be one. I think these are some steaks, so we'll do steaks one night. Now, Alana bought this keto ice cream. I did not buy that. Let's see what this is. Oh, tilapia, that could give us a fish chowder, which we do like. And we also have some salmon in the freezer outside. So I think that we'll do steak, we could do fish chowder, or we could do fried fish because I do have some pork rinds. And I can do fried fish. Maybe that would be good. Barbecue chicken legs. roasted veggies, cauliflower and chicken thighs, cauliflower risotto with chicken thighs. I actually have some canned mushrooms that I can use in a white wine cream sauce. And then our breakfast. And then lunches will be leftovers. So pretty much we have a kind of a generic menu that we're going to be working on. I'm getting ready to roast those veggies right now. We're waiting on the soup to finish. I have a girls meeting tonight, just Wednesday night. So I do my teen group on Wednesday night. So we're getting ready to do that. So there it is, you guys. Just a quick run through at the store, getting all the things done for this week. So, hey, if you like the video, be sure and thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Share this video if you feel like it's shareable. We appreciate you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.